Hi guys, you're welcome to the Lore Studios. We're still on Android UI. We'll be talking about the circle image view. A fast circular image view is perfect for profile images. And we'll be talking about how to actually integrate the circle image view effect in your picture. I'll be moving straight to Android Studio where I'll be explaining the source file in details. In my build Gradle, we're talking about the dependencies that's very important here. I have the Android support design 24.2.0, and majorly we'll be talking about the circle image view dependency, which is from the HDODENHOF.de. Definitely is a German link. What about you have 2.1.0? This circle image library is very important in integrating the effects in your PNG or in your jpeg file. After including this dependency, you synchronize with Gradle and you have your application set. I'll be looking at the rest, the layout file, the activity main XML. Whereby we have two inner layouts, the relative layout and another relative layout right inside a linear layout, which is the parent layout with an orientation of vertical. Now we'll talk about the relative layout right inside it. We have two backgrounds. We have a background which is calling the color light, whereby we assign some padding to the top, the bottom, and the left and right 16 dps. And we have the library tag itself called circle image. This is actually going to integrate the circle. In integration of the circular image in your PNG file, you actually need to do that right from the XML. It's not that you may not actually need to touch the Java classes. Whereby we have the source calling from the drawable Sandy PNG. There's a picture called Sandy. And we assign the border width to it. You can decide to extend this border width to make the width around, which is going to depict the circle itself, thicker. No, this is just 2 dp, and the color on the border is dark. We have another relative layout which is actually going to depict the second circle image integration. The background this time is dark. This for the upper one is light. Now the same circle image tag is being called, whereby we have the source calling from the same picture, sandy.png. The border width is 2 dp, and the border color around this is light because of what? The background is dark, so that the light border color will be able to glow out from the background. A closing relative layout and a closing linear layout. Let's get to look at the Sandy PNG. This is the picture used. It is 512 by 512, a PNG file, which is actually the recommended size of icon for from Google. And this is actually one of my colleague, a friend. I'll be looking at the main activity. The main activity extends activity. We have the onCreate method, whereby it has a super onCreate called save, calling the save instance state and setting the content view to the layout activity main. This is just a simple main activity. Nothing funky is being added to it. The same thing goes for our manifest. Our manifest would be the default manifest we used to have, whereby we have our launcher activity and set the theme appropriately. I'll be uploading the source file to my GitHub account, and I'll be showing this in an Android emulator. This is simple and straightforward test of application. Here we go with the application. The circular image. Can you notice the first relative layout, which is in a light background with a border around the circle, which is dark, and the border itself is 2 dp. You can decide to extend this border by adding like 10 or 5 dp. This is going to be thicker, and you can even make this thinner by probably using 0.5 dp or 1 dp. Look at the second layout, which is a relative layout as well, with a background of dark, and now the border of the circle image view is light, and the width of the border is 2 dp. You can decide to tweak this, add your own style, to this, so that it's going to fit what you actually need it for. If you're coming up with a chat application, or you're trying to create a layout for a particular user, try to integrate the circular image from material design so that it's going to actually look so beautiful and it's going to sit very well. Thank you very much for hanging out with me throughout this session, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.